Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell beside this so that each time I upload a new video you will be notified. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make water leaf soup. So here are all my water leaf. I have 4 of them. They say 4 of them. I actually have 6 of them here, not 4. So over here I have my shaki and abodi from cow meat. They have already been washed. Over here I have my cow foot. I also have some fresh fish in here. I have 1 cup of blended tomatoes. I'm going to be using that. I also have some beef here. I have about 6 scotch bonnet pepper, and I have my red palm oil as well. So over here I have my crayfish. I have 2 onions. I have 2 non cubes and 2 star cubes. So I also have some salt in there. So over here is the pot I'm going to use to cook my meat. So without wasting much of your time, I'm just going to add all my meat into the pot, then start cooking them. So here is my pot. I'm just going to add all my meat now. So here is after adding all my meat into my pot. So now I'm just going to add some salt. I'm also going to add 3 seasoning cubes, 2 non cube and 1 star. So after adding my seasoning cubes, I'm also going to add my chopped onion. Then after adding the chopped onion, I will just give that, cover it and allow to cook. So while my meat is cooking, I'm going to roast my vegetable. So what I'm just going to do now is to cut off the rope, then add in some water and start roasting them. So here is how I roast my vegetable. I already have a video on how to wash and clean your vegetable. You can check the video out at the description box below. So I will just continue to roast it like this until they are well clean. So I will just going to go ahead and roast the rest one just like I did to the other ones. After roasting my vegetables, I just came over to check my meat, and this meat has been cooking for over 10 minutes now. I haven't added any water yet, but now I'm going to add in some water for the meat to cook. And over here I also have some water here. I just boiled it. I'm going to use this to parboil my water leaf. So I also have my blended pepper and the 1 cup of tomatoes I showed earlier. And here are the things I showed earlier, my fish. And I'm done slicing my water leaf. Here is how it will look. Here is it. So now I'm just going to transfer my meat into the bowl. And here is after transferring my meat into the bowl, and my pot is already dry. I'm just going to add in some red palm oil now. And after adding my red palm oil, I will start frying my blended tomatoes and pepper. So now that the red oil is hot, I'm just going to add in some salt. I will add my chopped onions as well. Fry that for like 1 or 2 minutes. So now I'm going to add in my blended tomatoes and pepper. I'm just going to fry that for about 7 minutes or so. So now I'm also going to add in my fish because I want everything to fry together. Then I will just cover and continue cooking. So while that is cooking, I have my boiled water here. I'm just going to add in my water leaf for it to parboil. Then after adding my water leaf, I'm just going to give it a stir for it to go down before I add the remaining one. And here my water leaf is well parboiled now. I'm just going to transfer it into my filter. And here is after parboiling my water leaf. You can see how it looks. And here is my cooked meat. So now it's time for us to check our stew. You can see it's looking yummy already. So now we just give it a quick stir. And here is it, guys. So I will just cover it for 2 more minutes. So after 2 more minutes, I'm going to add in my cooked meat. Then after adding it, I'm just going to give it a stir. And now that everything is well combined, it's time for me to add my crayfish. I will also add in some salt. Now we'll give it a stir again. So now I'm just going to cover this and allow to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then after 3 minutes, now it's time for me to add my water leaf. So now we just go ahead and start adding my water leaf. And just stir it together. Stir until everything is well combined. So before I add my water leaf, I remove my fish, but I did it off camera. So now it's time for me to add in my fish. And here is after mixing everything. I'm just going to add in my fish now. Stir and allow it to cook for 2 more minutes, just 2 minutes. Then your water leaf soup is ready. And here is your soup, guys. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment and share. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And if you are my old-time subscriber, I say a very big thank you to you. Please don't forget to share this video, share to your friends, family, your loved ones. Just share. And if you like this video, please don't hesitate to let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.